IKEA is now considered as a giant home furnishing all over the globe. Ingvar Kamprad is the founder of IKEA, a retail company specializing in furniture founded in 1943.
IKEA is using GRI's G4 for its sustainability reporting guidelines. IKEA's 2014 annual report discloses that the company's sustainability has increased focus on environment, economic, and well-being. So is it really sustainability or a maximizing profit strategy or marketing strategies? So you be the judge.
IKEA customers can borrow bicycles with trailer to bring their purchases home. Having the customers attract to the concept, these bikes were then available for rent and for sale too. So, is it CSR or profit?
IKEA's goal to reduce the number of car trips to and from its stores offered IKEA ferry service. But hey, look! It is all colored in yellow, really like IKEA. Is it CSR or marketing?
This eco-friendly blue bag, which has been playing a huge part of the company's corporate social responsibility, now becoming a tool for both profit and marketing strategy.
2014 sustainability report states that IKEA is responsibly managing forests to source out its wood.
With their slogan, "We love wood," IKEA claim to be an environmentally responsible company, but some of the trees that we've been looking at here are at least 250 to 300 years old. And environmentalists say they're being cleared from areas of high conservation like this.
In the same year, FSC withdrawn IKEA certification under forest stewardship. After which, IKEA then partnered with WWF to promote responsible forestry, making it look like IKEA is still acting in good faith.
After forests, if we don't find sustainable sources, we are trying on every level to be more sustainable, to leave less of a footprint everywhere.
2014 sustainability report discloses IKEA's support for better lives towards its workers.
And then this issue happened.
This could happen. The use of political prisoners for manufacturing was at no point accepted by IKEA. At the time, we didn't have the well-equipped control system that we have today, and we clearly did too little to prevent such production methods.
And this one too.
After the child labor issue, IKEA partnered with UNICEF, supporting child rights and helping change children's lives. So, is it CSR or legitimacy theory?
Decided to grow, but we've decided to grow within the limits of the planet. We've just concluded last financial year, which is the best year of growth that we've ever had, and at the same time it's the year when we have actually moved in making IKEA much more sustainable than it was before.
Despite all the undesirable CSR issues, IKEA is still having a breakthrough in its independent CSR rating.
And that's by supporting and partnering with these organizations for sustainability. Now this shows that IKEA has definitely abided in GRI's reporting principles.
Resources, we are a business, we are here to make money, but we actually try to do that in a really responsible way.
So is the sustainability reporting just to adhere in compliance with the GRI reporting principles? Or could it be for capital market research purposes to increase share price?
Considering CSR is currently voluntary, here are some of our recommendations.
And that ends our presentation. Enjoy your IKEA shopping!
Have good taste in drapes.
I wish I died on Iwo Jima and never met you. I'm going back for those cute bowls.
I swear to God I will stab you!